good morning, ආයුබෝවන්, bonjour. අදත් ඔයාලට ප්‍රංශ භාෂාව පිළිබඳ දැනුම අරගෙන එන මගේ නම අකිල ජයසිංහ. In the last video, we discussed how to write and pronounce numbers from 1 to 20. අපි කලින් වීඩියෝ එකේ කතා කරේ අංක 1 ඉඳලා 20 දක්වා කොහොමද ලියන්නේ සහ උච්චාරණය කරන්නේ කියලා. So today we continue the number lesson, and from today's lesson you will be able to write and pronounce your birthday in French language. අද පාඩම ඉවරෙද්දී ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේ ඔයාලගේ උපන්දිනේ ප්‍රංශ භාෂාවෙන් කියන්න සහ ලියන්න. Okay. Before going to today's lesson, we just quickly revise what we learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we talked about numbers from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. හරි අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරේ ඔතන numbers 20 එකක් විතරයි. ඉතින් අද අපි කතා කරමු number 21. 21 means 20 plus 1. 20 ධන 1. So for 20 we say went, and for 1 මේකට කියන්නේ un. So 21 means went a un. Went a un 21. Next one, 22. 22 means 20 plus 2. Went, flew there, went there, went there. 22. Next number is 23. Went, through, went, flew, through, went, through, went, through, went, quatre, went, quatre, went, sank, went, sank. 26. Went, sis, went, sis. 27. Went, sept, went, sept. 28. 20 plus 8. Went, flew with, went, with, went, with. 29. Went, neuf, went, flew neuf, went, neuf. Okay, then number 30. So from number 20 to 29 there is the similar pattern. 20 plus the number 20 plus 1 went there, 20 plus 2 went there, like that. So for 30 we say tront, tront. For 30, tront. Okay, so then 31 tront a an, 32 tront there, tront trois, tront quatre, tront cinq, tront six, tront sept, tront huit, and tront neuf. 39, tront neuf. So next one is 40. For number 40 we say quarante, quarante, quarante. Similar pattern for 41 to 49. The similar pattern continues. Quarante et un, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. 49, 49. So next number is number 50. Number 50 we say cinquante, cinquante, cinquante. Number 60, soixante. So from number 50 to 59 the same pattern as mentioned in the from number 21 to 29. from 31 to 39, from 41 to 49, same pattern. So from 51 to 59 also same pattern. And number 60 we say soixante, soixante, soixante. Number 70, 70 means 60 plus 10, 60 plus 10. So for 60 we say soixante, soixante. And for 10 we know we say this, this. Soixante plus this, soixante this, soixante this, soixante this. So for the 71, 71 means 60 plus 11, 60 plus 11, 60 plus 11. Soixante plus 11, soixante plus 11, soixante et 11, soixante et 11. For 71 we say soixante et 11. 72, 60 plus 12, soixante douze, soixante douze. 73, soixante treize, 60 plus 13, 60 plus 13, soixante treize, soixante quatorze, soixante quatorze, soixante quinze, soixante quinze. 76, soixante seize, soixante seize, 60 plus 16, soixante seize. 77, soixante dix-sept, soixante dix-sept, 60 plus 17, soixante dix-sept. 78, soixante dix-huit, soixante dix-huit, soixante dix-neuf, soixante dix-neuf, soixante dix-neuf. 70. For 80, 80 we say 80. 80 means 40. Sorry, 4 multiplied by 20. Hatara විස්සේ මුඩි ගහම 80. 4 multiplied by 20, the answer is 80. So for number 4 we say 4 and 20 20, 4 20. And for 80 we say 4 20, 4 20. So the same pattern continues here as well. 80 plus 1, 81, 81. 80 plus 2, 82, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 89. So next one is 90. 90 means 80 plus 10, 80 plus 10. 80 plus this, 80 plus this. For 80 we say 80, and for 10 we say this, 80 this, 80 this, 80 this. So for number 91, 91 means 80 plus 11, 80 plus 11, 11 for 11 we say ons, 80 ons, 80 ons, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Number 97, 97, 97, 97 with, 97 with. 99, 89. Okay. So next number is number 100. 100. See, for 100 we say sont. 100 we say sont. So for 200, the sont. 200. 300, through a sont. 600, sis sont. 700, set sont. 900, neuf sont. So next number is number 1000. 4000 we say mil. 1000 අපි කියන්නේ mil. එතකොට 2000 2000 we say the mil. 3000 through a mil. 7000 sept mil. Okay, now I think you have got a good idea. It's not much difficult because the same pattern continues. So I think you got a good knowledge about the numbers from numbers up to 100, then up to 1000. So in beginning of the lesson, in the beginning of the video, I told that you will be able to tell your birthday in French language after watching this video. So now we will discuss how to tell the birthday. Before that, we learn how to ask from someone what is your birthday. What is your birthday? Quel est ton anniversaire? Quel est ton anniversaire? Quel est ton anniversaire? What is your birthday? Quel est ton anniversaire? හරි. එතකොට අපි කොහොමද උත්තර දෙන්නේ? So how can we answer? What's the answer? We say my birthday is 1995 January 28 January 1995. My birthday is mon anniversaire est 1995. 1995. මිල් කියව මොකද්ද අපි 1000. 1995. අපි 1000 කියලා කොහොමද කියන්නේ? මිල් 900. 900. For 100 we say sont. So for 900 we say neuf sont. 1900. 95 means 80 plus 15. 95. For 95 we say 95. 1995. 1995. That is the way you have to tell your birthday. So now you can try your birthday, your birth year. You can try your birth year. Okay, now I think you have some knowledge. You have good knowledge about the numbers in French language. Now you can count, write and pronounce numbers from 1 to 1000. So and also now you can tell your birthday. and you can ask someone's birthday from someone. So now you can communicate with your friends to a bit. දැන් ඔයාලට පොඩ්ඩක් ඔයාලගේ අනිත් එක්ක ප්‍රංශ භාෂාවෙන් කමියුනිකේට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් අපි ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් ඉක්මනටම හම්බෙමු. Till then, au revoir. Merci.